Hey guys, welcome back to Clockwise Crypto. Hope you guys are moving forward in everything that you do. Dive right into this unique project, guys. And I know heard of other meme coins. We've heard of frogs and cats and dogs. This is something different, unique, and I want to take a look at it. Racooncoin, the guardians of meme. So definitely want to highlight and go over this a little bit different. Racooncoin, really how it's different is it's an innovative ecosystem that combines cryptocurrency, airdrop programs, game mechanics, and educational elements. The platform offers unique opportunities for both users and new projects seeking effective promotion. So their main activities are airdrop platform. So they're offering a centralized platform where projects can conduct their airdrop events, helping new startups attract a wide audience and effectively distribute their tokens. The next main objective is game mechanics. Their game includes clickers and tasks to allow users to earn tokens, making participation, engagement, and interaction. This lowers the barrier to crypto and increases engagement. So I love lowering the barrier of entry to crypto. That's something to me that I think isn't talked about enough. Pretty much giving everyone an opportunity to have a seat at the table. That's what I love to see. Educational programs, we provide training courses and materials to help users learn the basics of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. The gamified approach makes learning the process more interesting and accessible. Verification and reliability. They're saying they thoroughly vet all projects listed on the platform to ensure the reliability and safety for users. So you're not just having any and everyone go to the platform. This process includes application screening, interviews with project representatives. So pretty much creating a safe place for the meme coins. So definitely love what they're doing here. And I really compare something like this to like Pepe, where it has the potential to come out of nowhere and really do something different, see something different. I think that's the beautiful part about meme coins. You have an opportunity to be a part of something different. And to be honest with you, the proof that this is catching fire is the USD value raise, because pretty much this is like for an unknown project to attract this much attention. Their goal is only 2.3 million. They already raised $1 million. So I think that confirms that there is a possible connection to the Pepe team, like probably just because of how they're moving. Even if you look at how the website's set up and really the mission, no taxes, no BS. It's that simple. LP tokens are burnt and the contract ownership is renounced. They're moving very similar to how Pepe moved. So before Pepe was what it is today, Racooncoin is moving very, very similar. So we've seen this before. So definitely pay attention to that. I love the transparency here, as we can see right here. Racooncoin RCN is literally a meme coin. No utility, no roadmap, no promises, no expectation of financial return, just 100% memes. It does not get any more transparent than that. So definitely pay attention to that, because I think they already raised $1 million. It seems like centralized exchanges is almost guaranteed. You can't confirm it, but I think it's a high probability that is central exchanges. It's only a matter of time. So pay attention to that. And if we take a look at what they're trying to do and ultimately being fully transparent and already audited by CertIC, I think it's sky's the limit. We can take a look here at even the giveaways that they're doing, to even just giving a giveaway and contribute yourself for hitting that $1 million milestone. And they hit it pretty quickly. So last project we saw move this quickly and hit these benchmarks this quickly was Pepe, was Floki, right? Other meme coins we've seen that done well, we're having pretty much a foundation like this. So we've seen this happen before. Pay attention, because to be honest with you, it's looking like this project has the potential to at least 1,000x. It's not even on exchanges yet. And you can buy it before it hits the exchange. You guys know what happens when projects hit exchanges. Guys, a massive, massive rally. Definitely going through this project here, and right now it's undergoing its first round of government funding that anyone can participate in. So that's the beauty. That's the beauty of it. If you take a look here, you do have an opportunity to buy RCN, and you know, timing's everything. We talk about timing a lot, guys. We talk about timing a lot. And for me, I think if you're looking here, $1 million just isn't raised out of nowhere. There's a reason. There's a reason. So you can take a look here. Definitely take a look at this project. They have different sales tiers. They're telling you what they're doing with the tokenomics. You can see the ecosystem, 37%, which is the majority. Airdrops, funds, contributors, private sales, auctions, advisory, liquidity. So full transparency here, and listing on centralized exchanges will take place Q4 2024. They're even giving you a quarter of when that's taking place, so you know what happens when meme coins hit the exchange. You already know. It's go time. That's when the gains come, when the gates open for massive retail buyers to take a look at this project. That's when a ton of money is made. Not financial advice, but this is just what we've seen. So guys, take a look at Racooncoin, something different, but there is value in being different. There's value in being unique, and there's value in transparency, guys. So hope you got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do. We'll see you soon.